Poori Bhaji. Ingredients: potatoes 2 boiled and roughly cut, oil as required, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, salt as required, gram flour 2 tablespoons, split Bengal gram or chana dal 2 teaspoons, split black lentil or urad dal 1 teaspoon, asafoetida 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 10 to 12, half inch ginger finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies de-seeded and finely chopped, 2 tablespoons coriander finely chopped, and 1 thinly sliced onion. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. For the bhaji, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds in the hot oil. Two teaspoons split Bengal lentil or chana dal, 1 teaspoon split black lentil or urad dal, half teaspoon asafoetida. Fry till the dal becomes brown. Now add 10 to 12 curry leaves, half inch ginger finely chopped, and 2 to 3 green chilies de-seeded and finely chopped. Fry till the raw smell of ginger goes away. Now add 1 thinly sliced onion and fry till the onions become soft. Add salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Now add 2 potatoes boiled and roughly cut. Mix well. Add some water to 2 tablespoons gram flour or besan. Mix well. Add the paste to the potato mixture. Add water and mix well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander. Mix well. Add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Bhaji or masala is ready to be served. For the puris, take 1 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt and knead a stiff dough. Set aside for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a puri. I have used dry flour to dust the rolling pin. You can also use oil instead. Add 1 puri at a time in the hot oil. Fry the puris by gently pressing down with the spoon. Turn over when the puri puffs up. Fry till golden brown. Remove on an absorbent paper napkin. Prepare the remaining puris in the same manner. Serve Poori Bhaji with coconut chutney. Subscribe to my channel JIMJEN's Kitchen, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. For this recipe in Hindi, check the link in the description box. Thank you.